Jai Swaminarayan, welcome to our e-learning classroom. So friends, today we are going to learn about the second part of the future tense Atmanepadam forms of verbs. So here I have already taken the suffixes of Atmanepadam future tense. So when you see that these suffixes, you can understand that these are the similar to the present tense Atmanepadam suffixes. So here, स्ये, स्यावहे, स्यामहे, स्यसे, स्येथे, स्यद्वे, स्यते, स्येते, स्यन्ते. So when we see it, it's a e, वहे, महे, से, इथे, द्वे, ते, इते, ante. So it's similar to the Atmanepadam suffixes of present tense. When we add sya plus e here, so it's become sye, and this process is here also and here also. So all the sya become sye when we add e into the sya. After that, we have taken the roots from different conjugations. So from conjugation 1, we have taken the root love. From conjugation 4, we have taken the root with. From conjugation 6, we have taken the root mil. And from conjugation 10, we have taken the root katha. So here, now we add the conjugation sign after these roots. But from conjugation 1 and conjugation 4, in these two roots, we do not add any conjugational sign, because when we add this into the suffix of Atmanepadam, at that time there is vikar. So we cannot add the conjugational sign after these two roots. But we only convert these words into the love convert into love, and the vit convert into vi. We add conjugational sign after mil, so the word become mil, and when we add e after it, so it's become me li. In the same way, when we add aya here, so the word become katha ya, and when we add it e into this word, become kathai. Okay, so now when we make the forms of verb using these words, okay, from all the conjugations, so the forms of verb become such like this. So first of all, we take the word love. So here, when we add love into the say, the word become lapse, because here there is halant and the sya is half, not a full. That's why the forms of verb become lapse. And here lapsya vahe, lapsya mahe, lapsya se, lapsye the, lapsya dve, lapsya te, lapsyate, lapsyante. So these are the forms of verb of root love, and the words become love here from conjugation first. So now we take the word with from the conjugation from. So here, instead of with, we have to take the word with, because when we add this word into the suffixes of future tense Atmanepadam, so there is rakar, and due to the rakar, the word become with. So when we add here, so the word verb becomes vetse, वित्स्यावहे, वित्स्यामहे, वित्स्यसे, वित्स्येथे, वित्स्यद्वे, वित्स्यते, वित्स्यते and वित्स्यन्ते. Now we take the root mill and the word merely from conjugation 6 and make the forms of verb here. But first of all, we erase these forms of verbs. So as you know that, and as you seen here, the forms of verb of future tense are similar to the forms of verbs of future present tense in the terms of suffixes we added. Okay, so now we make other forms of verbs using the word of conjugation sign 6. So from meli, so the word become melishase, melishavahe, melishamahe, melishase, melishethe, melishyathe. Here melishyate, melishyate and melishante. Okay, now we take the word kathai from conjugation 10 and make forms of verbs. So the forms of verbs become like this: kathai she, kathai sha vahe, kathai sha mahe. Here kathai shase, kathai shathe, kathai shethe, sorry, then kathai shadve, kathai shate, kathai shete and kathai shante. So these are the forms of verbs of root kath. So using these suffixes and using other verbs, other roots from these conjugations of groups, okay, so you can practice to make forms of verbs of future tense from take the roots from these conjugations. You can take bash root for the conjugation 1, you can take budh for conjugation 2, conjugation 4, and you can take root pravish for conjugation 6, and from conjugation 10 you can take the word raj. Okay, so practice to make forms of verb using these roots. Thank you. Jai Swaminarayan.